Hello. We at Los Angeles County Public Works are here to provide information on flood risks in the unincorporated area of East Los Angeles. Los Angeles County Public Works is the floodplain manager for the county's unincorporated areas. There are 85 other cities in the county that have their own floodplain managers. This presentation focuses on flood risks in the East Los Angeles County area and how residents can manage their risk. This is the unincorporated community of East Los Angeles, shown in yellow, bordered by the cities of Los Angeles, Alhambra, Monterey Park, Montebello, and Commerce. East Los Angeles is also within the Los Angeles County Flood Control District. No area is free of risk, including East Los Angeles. It's a matter of knowing your risk and being prepared for it. Large storms can happen during the October through April fall-winter season and sometimes during summer thunderstorms. East Los Angeles is a heavily urbanized area with lots of storm drains built from the 1930s into the 1990s. These storm drains address the area's more serious flooding complaints. Surface storm flows in East Los Angeles are mostly confined to streets. The streets are part of the urban drainage system in Los Angeles County, so there will be flows in the streets during large storms. However, the combination of drains and streets keeps storm flows away from buildings. Flooding occurs all over the country, so reducing flooding impacts is a concern of the federal government. Congress enacted the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, primarily in response to the lack of availability of private flood insurance and continued increases in federal assistance after flood disasters. Los Angeles County joined the NFIP to allow residents access to NFIP flood insurance and federal flood disaster assistance. In the early 1980s, FEMA mapped flood zones in Los Angeles County, including East Los Angeles. All of East Los Angeles is mapped in a FEMA Zone X. So, there are no federal flood insurance mandates for buildings except those getting Small Business Administration loans. Small Business Administration loans are usually offered to qualifying businesses and homeowners after a federally declared disaster. However, mortgage lenders can, on their own, require flood insurance. All owners and renters in all flood zones can get flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. Defining flood risk is a vital task under the National Flood Insurance Program. So, FEMA developed flood insurance rate maps. These maps will show the FEMA zones. All East Los Angeles is in a FEMA Zone X. You can reach Public Works' flood zone determination website through the Water for LA County website's flood preparation webpage. The Public Works Flood Zone Determination website can identify the FEMA flood zones on every property in Los Angeles County. Just click on your property or enter your property's address. The Flood Zone website has links to the actual FEMA flood insurance rate maps and to elevation certificates associated with finished permitted construction in unincorporated areas. but they only go back to the mid-1990s, and elevation certificates done by homeowners themselves for insurance purposes are not included. The Flood Zone app is also mobile-friendly. You can also get the FEMA flood zones for your property at FEMA's Map Service Center. We are here to assist. Please reach out to us if you have additional questions. We encourage you to look at these additional presentations, which provide useful information on preparing for, handling, and recovering from flood events. Thank you. We hope this information helps you prepare for floods by knowing your flood risk. We at Public Works wish you a good day and hope you stay safe.